I've been using the LG C1 48-inch OLED TV as my main computer display for about half a year now. I use it for productivity, working and casual web browsing through the day, and for entertainment whenever that's watching videos, PC gaming or kicking back on a PS5. And while it's far from the perfect and I wouldn't recommend it for everyone, for me it remains one of the best single displays to do it all. Hi, I'm Dan and here's my long-term thoughts on the LG C1 OLED TV as my main computer monitor. To kick it off, this being an OLED panel, let's answer if I have any burn-in. I have over 1800 hours of usage on this display, with most of it being on my PC, gaming on PS5 and casual Netflix, and from what I can tell, there's no burn-in when flipping to different color tests. Frankly, I'm quite surprised I haven't experienced burning yet, while I do take some preventing measures like no desktop icons, hidden taskbar, animated desktop background and a screensaver that kicks in every 1 minute I do nothing on the computer. And I do still have the burning protections enabled on the TV like pixel shifting. As I am a programmer, I work on starting files and browse web pages on my screen for minimum 8 hours per day. I leave tools or reference web pages in the same position on a regular basis, and in rare occasions, the screensaver doesn't even kick in because of an app or YouTube prevent it. This 48-inch setup is not for everyone. When using it for productivity, I rarely use applications in full screen as it's much too big this close to the display, and I instead tile applications across the screen like a multi-monitor setup, but you can learn more about how I do that in another video linked below. The lack of a curve is also noticeable. With such a large display this close is not terrible, but coming from an ultra-wide Alienware monitor with even a slight curve, I do miss having it, as it makes reading stuff on the sides a little easier. Regarding gaming, playing games is quite fun and I like it, either using a keyboard and mouse on PC or a controller on my PS5. I move back a couple meters so I can appreciate the screen entirely. I think Eyestrain is very concerned when using a large screen this close if you're in a high contrast environment. For example, a